Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Ngayong araw ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-register ng kasambahay sa SSS. Ang kasambahay ay isang household worker such as the maid, yaya, caregiver, cook, gardener. Basically, anyone doing domestic work in a household and getting paid. Covered po ba ng SSS ang mga kasambahay? Yes po, covered po sila at compulsory po ito. All kasambahays are mandatorily covered by SSS required by Batas Kasambahay RA 10361 and SSS Law RA 11199. Sino ang magbabayad ng contribution? Depende po ito sa salary ng kasambahay. If yung salary is 5,000 and below, yung employer po ang magbabayad 100%. If above 5,000 naman po, shared po ito. Employer share and kasambahay share. Employer ang magre-remit po nito sa SSS. When to register? Within 30 days from hiring. It is required by law. Ito po yung requirements na kailangan for registration: birth certificate, passport, driver's license. If wala po nito, 2 secondary ID na may birth date nung kasambahay. Kung okay na po yung requirements nyo, pumunta na po tayo sa registration. Pumunta lamang po sa site ng my.sss at piliin po ang employer. I-fill out nyo lang po yung basic information nyo such as name, yung address, email, and contact information and SSS number. After po nun, i-register nyo na po yung kasambahay nyo. Pumunta lamang po sa register employee at ilagay yung details ng kasambahay: name, SSS number, birth date, salary, and date hired. Paalala lang po, if wala pa pong SSS number ang kasambahay ninyo, kailangan nyo po muna siyang i-register as member. Aantayin nyo na lang po yung verification ni SSS dun po sa kasambahay ninyo. Tapos dito na rin po kayo magbabayad through the PRN. Kung okay na po, i-review nyo lang po yung details and submit to registration. Ito po pala yung benefits na pwedeng makuha ng kasambahay: sickness benefit, maternity benefit, disability benefit, retirement or pension, death benefit, funeral benefit. May access din sila sa salary loan, calamity loan, at employees compensation, work-related cases po. At dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating video. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo at nasagot namin ang inyong mga katanungan. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Maraming salamat po!